Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set all the languages you know on Bigo Live. So first you have to go to here on your Bigo Live profile. How you get here is you can see at the bottom of the screen there are about 5 icons: home, explore, a little camera icon, community, and me. So you're gonna click on the bottom right corner on the me icon, and this will take you to where I am right now. So after you got here, at the top of the screen, there's your profile with your profile picture or your name, and we're gonna click that, and that will bring us here. So at the top of the screen, on the top right corner, there are about 2 icons. We're gonna click on the right icon. After we click on that icon, as you can see, you have a few options here, but let's go down and read this about me. So you have name, age, gender, birthday, hometown, and languages you speak. Right now, we're interested in languages you speak, and you have a few languages here. They're not all the languages in the world, but they're one of the most spoken ones on this app and in the world. So we can put English and French. We can put Russian too. I actually don't speak these languages. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Okay, I do speak English, but the other 2 I don't. So after that, at the bottom of the screen, you have on the left you have cancel, and then on the right you have confirm. So we're gonna confirm these languages that we know, and as you can see, it's updated and it's saved right now, and there they are: English, French, and Russian. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.